So welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll solve problems on 2D transformations. So we have already discussed various 2D transformations like translation, rotation, scaling, shear and reflection. Also we have discussed various matrices for translation. The matrix we have discussed, that is 1 0 tx, 0 1 ty, 0 0 1. So where tx and ty is nothing but translation x direction and translation in y direction. Now rotation matrix we have discussed. So this is cos theta minus sin theta 0, sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. Now also scaling matrix, we know the scaling matrix, that is Sx 0 0 0 Sy 0 0 0 1. So where Sx and Sy are the scaling factors in x and y direction. Similarly we have discussed reflection, and there are various types of reflection: about x-axis, about y-axis, about y is equal to x, about y is equal to minus x. So those matrices we have discussed. So suppose about x-axis, so the matrix is, in this case x coordinate will remain same, y will change, so it is 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. So x. Then about y axis, so where y coordinate remains same and x will change from plus to minus, so it is minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now suppose about line y is equal to x, so the matrix will be 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now about y is equal to minus x line, so the matrix is 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1. So everything is detailed discussed in the previous tutorial, only we are revising the matrices. Now shear, we have discussed x shear, y shear and xy shear. So x shear matrix is 1 shx 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now y shear matrix is 1 0 0 shy 1 0 0 0 1. And in case of xy shear, it is 1 shx 0 shy 1 0 0 0 1, where shx and shy are the shearing factors about x and y respectively. Start with the problem solving based on the 2D transformations. Now the first problem is, translate point P with the coordinates 4, 3, 3 units in x direction and 5 units in y direction. So we'll solve this. So here given as a tx is equal to 3 and ty is equal to 5. So 3 units in x direction and 5 units in y direction. Now we know that whenever we are performing any operation, so we are writing it as, suppose x1 dash y1 dash 1 is equal to, so the transformation matrix multiplied by the coordinate matrix. So it is, suppose x1 y1 1, the transformation matrix, in this case if suppose it is translation, it is 1 0 tx 0 1 ty and 0 0 1. So in this way we will multiply the coordinates with the matrix. So now we'll put the values. So 1 0, so tx is given as 3, 0 1 ty is given as 5 and 0 0 1. Then multiply with the coordinate matrix. The coordinates are 4, 3 and 1. So is equal to, we know that the multiplication will be like this, in this way we are multiplying. So 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4, plus 0 multiplied by 3 0, plus 3 multiplied by 1, so that is 3. then 0 multiplied by 4 0 plus 1 multiplied by 3 that is 3 plus 5 multiplied by 1 that is 5. Then 0 multiplied by 4 0, 0 multiplied by 3 0, 1 multiplied by 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1. So this is equal to 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 5 8 and 1. So after translating 3 units in x direction and 5 units in y direction, the new coordinates will become 7, 8. So earlier it was 4, 3. So after translating this with the 3, 5, it becomes 7, 8. Now we'll also draw this. As we know, our coordinate is 4, 3. It is translated to 7, 8. Now we'll draw the 4, 3 plus first 4, 3. So this is nothing but the point, that is point P. So this is point P. It is translated to 7, 8. It is 7, 8. It's almost here. So it is translated to this one. So it is 4, 3 and this is 7, 8. So we are getting the translation. Now next problem is rotate triangle ABC by an angle 30 degree anti-clockwise where the coordinates of the triangle are 0, 0, 10, 2 and 7, 4. So calculate the new coordinates of the triangle. Now see, here it is specified angle theta is given as 30 degree and it is anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise rotation, this is nothing but anti-clockwise rotation. It is considered as a positive rotation and it is not specified, so it is nothing but rotation about origin. Now we know that there are 3 coordinates in the triangle, so we will write the transformation matrix like this. Suppose x1 dash y1 dash 1, x2 dash y2 dash 1, x3 dash y3 dash 1 is equal to the rotation matrix multiplied by coordinate matrix. So rotation matrix is cos theta minus sin theta 0, sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1 multiplied by x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So in this case, this is nothing but x1 y1, it is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So that we will write into this matrix. Also we will calculate what is the cos theta and sin theta. So use scientific calculator. Then 30, so 30 degree, sin 30 it is 0.5. Now what is the cos 30? Cos 30 is 0.866. So we got cos 30 is equal to 0.866 and sin 30 is 0.5. So transfer that into this matrix. So it is equal to cos 30 is 0.866, sin 30 it is minus 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0.866, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now multiply it. So this multiplication will be like this, row and column. So answer is equal to, so if you multiply two matrices 0.86 minus 0.50, so you will get the values as, so we'll write it here, it is 0, then 7.6, then 4.06, then it is 0, 6.732, then 6.964, 1, 1, 1. So this is nothing but answer after multiplying. Now if you plot that points with respect to xy coordinate system, then you will get such type of triangle. So this is nothing but original triangle. This is the original triangle. After rotating by 30 degree, this is nothing but the new triangle. So you can plot the original as well as new triangle with respect to xy coordinate system. So this is nothing but how we can plot. So 0 0 10 2 7 4, that triangle, it is translated it is rotated by angle 30 degree to 7 6 6.73 4.06 6.964 00. So this is the third problem. Scale the triangle with vertices A00, B24, C44 to twice of its size so that the point C44 remain fixed. So we have to perform the scaling but keeping the point C44 as a fix. So how we will perform that? First of all, what are the scaling factors given? So Sx and Sy, it said that you have to do it twice, means scale it twice, means Sx is 2 and Sy is 2. Now first of all perform the scaling. So how will perform the scaling? How will write the matrix? So it is x1 dash y1 dash 1, x2 dash y2 dash 1, x3 dash y3 dash 1 is equal to the scaling matrix Sx 0 0 0 Sy 0 0 0 1 multiplied by the coordinate matrix x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So here x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 2, y2 is 4 and x3 is 4, y3 is 4. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So we'll now transfer this into the matrix. So it is 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 1. Then this is multiplied by 0 0 1, x2 is 2 4 1 4 4 1. Now do the multiplication. Everybody knows the matrix multiplication. So in this way you have to multiply. So 2 into 0 0 means everything first value is 0. Then 2 into 2 4. 2 4 8 4 is 8 0. Then 2 4 is 8. Then 2 4 is 8 and then 0, sorry, it is not 0, it is 1. Then last is 1 1 1. So we got the values 0 0 4 8 8 8, but our aim is to keep the C44 as a fix. So this is nothing but the value we are getting after performing operation on C. So we must have that as a 4 4. So we must subtract this by minus 4 and minus 4. Means what? We have to take that point back translated by 4 in x direction and 4 in y direction. So from every value we have to back translate minus 4 minus 4. So what we'll do, this is nothing but tx and ty we got. So perform translation with the tx is equal to minus 4 and ty is equal to minus 4 on this particular matrix or values, so that this will become is equal to 1 0 tx tx 0 1 ty 0 0 1 multiplied by the matrix. This is 0 0 4 8. So the matrix is 0 0 1 4 8 1 8 8 1. So tx ty are 1 0 minus 4 0 1 minus 4 0 0 1 multiplied by the values 0 0 1 4 8 1 8 8 1. So the answer is 1 into 0 0, this is minus 4, this is minus 4 and 1. Then next is 0 1 into 4 4, 8 0 means 0, so this will become 0. 8 minus 4 4, then 8 minus 4 4, this is 4, and 1 1. So answer is minus 4 4 0 4 4 4. So we got the values of ABC after translation is minus 4 0 4 4 4. So this is nothing but the answer, because we have to keep C value fixed. So C value fixed means we must take it back to the minus 4 4. So because of that, this becomes 0 4, this becomes minus 4 4, and this becomes 4 4. So that this is nothing but the factor, this is nothing but the triangle after scaling by 2 and keeping the C 4 4 as a fix. So now we'll plot it. Now see here, so this is nothing but the original triangle 0 0, then 2 4 and 4 4. So this is the original triangle. After scaling it, the 4 4 remains same, 0 4 and minus 4. So scaling happens as well as the C remains fixed. So this is nothing but how we have performed the scaling by keeping one value fixed. Now we'll solve the next problem. So we'll read it. Consider a triangle ABC whose coordinates are A 10 20, B 30 40 and C 50 20. Perform the following transformations. So you have to specify the matrices. First, translate the given triangle by 3 units in x direction and minus 2 units in y direction. Second bit is rotate the given triangle by 30 degree. Third is reflect the given triangle about x is equal to y line. And fourth is scale the given triangle uniformly by 2 units. So we'll start with the first bit, and here those 4 bits are to be performed separately. If suppose there is a one word that this followed by this followed by, then it is nothing but composite. But actually in this problem this is not composite, it is separate. So you have to solve first bit, then second, third. So there is no relation between that bits. So we'll begin with the first. So here translation you have to perform. So Tx given is 3 and Ty given as minus 2. So we know the matrix for translation. So it is nothing but translation matrix 1 0 Tx, 0 1 Ty and 0 0 1 multiplied by coordinate matrix. So coordinate matrix are means it is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So put that values. So 1 0 Tx is 3, 0 1 Ty is minus 2, 0 0 1 multiplied by the coordinate matrix as 10 20 1, 30 40 1 and 50 20 1. So do the multiplication. 1 into 10 10, 0 3 13, then it is 33 53. Next is 0 into 10 0, 20 minus 2, it is 18, 38 and 18, 1 1 1. So this is nothing but the value we got 13 18, 33 38 53 18. So you can plot it as shown earlier. So this is nothing but the translation performed. Now we'll move towards the rotation. Second is rotation. So theta is given as 30 degree. So we know cos 30 is 0.866 and sin 30 is 0.5. Now we'll write the rotation matrix. Cos theta minus sin theta 0, sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1 multiplied by the coordinate matrix. So x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So put the values. Cos theta is 0.866, so it is minus 0.5, 0, 0.5 0.866 0 0 0 1. This is multiplied by the coordinate matrix. So coordinates are 10 20 30 40. So it is 10 20 30 40 and last it is 50 20 50 20 and those are the 1. So do the multiplication. So multiplication will be like this one and that one. If you multiply those two matrices, you will get the values as minus 1.34, then 5.98, then 33.3, then 22.32, 49.64, 42.32 and then 111. So this is nothing but how we will get the values after rotating by 30 degree. So it is not specified whether it is clock or anti-clockwise, but we have considered it as a anti-clockwise. Now third is reflect the given triangle about x is equal to y. So we have to reflect the triangle about x is equal to y. So third bit, reflection about line y is equal to x. So we know the matrix for reflection about y is equal to x. So it is 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So this matrix multiplied by the coordinate matrix. So the coordinate matrix are 10 20 30 40, 10 20 1 30 41 and 50 21. So 50 21. So if you multiply it, so 0 it is 20, then it is 40, then it is 20, then 10 30 50. So 0, sorry, it is 1, so it will be 1 1 1. So the answer is 20 10 40 30 20 40. So whenever you are reflecting about line y is equal to x, so the coordinates are interchanging. So x will become y and y will become x. So here earlier it was x10, now it becomes y, and y is 20, it becomes x. So this is nothing but how reflection about line y is equal to x happens. So this matrix you can use and multiply it. Now the last bit, that is the scaling the given triangle uniformly by 2 units. So it means that sx is given as 2 and sy is given as 2. So we will perform the scaling. So where sx is equal to 2 and sy is equal to 2. Now what is the scaling matrix? Scaling matrix is sx 0 0 0 sy 0 0 0 1 multiplied by the coordinate matrix x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. So put the values of sx and sy. 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 1. It is multiplied by the coordinates matrix 10 20 30 40. 10 20 1 30 40 1 50 20 1. Do the multiplication. So is equal to 2 into 10 20, 2 into 30 60 100, then 2 into 20 40 80 and 40 1 1 1. So this is nothing but the answer 20 40 60 80 100 40. So scaling, after scaling you are getting this answer. So after solving all, you can plot also. Problems I have shown how to plot, so you can plot it with xy coordinate system. So thank you for seeing this video.